Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to make this wreath. Isn't it nice? For this you will need green color crystal beads, red color crystal beads. You need a ring. You can take any ring. Then you need a thin wire. Wire. That's it. I need scissors and a fresh cutter. For this we will need more of this green color beads here. Okay, let's get started. You can use beads of any size which you feel is first, you need to take this string, thin string. I will start here where it is. You need to tie one knot here. Wire of any length we can take. See? I made a knot. Now take the end and the beads. See? Take one bead. Okay. Take this bead. Keep it like this. Bend it. Okay. This. Hold it tight, bend it. Okay, from inside I am going to put everything inside. Bring it up. Again, one more time, twice we will do. Okay, now again you okay, bring it down. Right. Again bring it over here. Then put all this again inside. One more loop. Okay? 2 times we will do. Only once I did one more you bring it out. So then it will be strong. Okay, simply we have to do only. I will, for this, what I am going to do is, this is too long, so better you take 5 beads. Okay, just one bead on bead. Again same method, one bead here. Bring it out. And make 2 times. 1 time also is sufficient. See? Now we are going to do it for circle. Okay, I will do it fully and then come back. Okay? See, I have made a full circle. Okay? Now similarly we are going to do at the bottom. Then we are going to add the red beads. Now we are going to take it to the bottom. See here. Add one twist. Another twist. Very nice. Now we are going to add red beads. Red bead. Just line it and secure it. When you take it, some distance here. Not do anything. Nice. We can add a bow like this. See, in this I have made one round like this. Inside I didn't make, and outside I went through each bead and then I made like this. This is other type. Here I used a different color beads on the inside, and I have made on both the sides. This is simply just one wire in that I just joined it without it, and I made them. Okay, anywhere we can take. I'm going to tie one. I'm going to tie one knot here.